I am back with another Aliexpress haul. Look at all my goodies that came today. I don't know if you remember a few Aliexpress hauls ago. I had ordered some lace from one of the sellers and I was really impressed with it. So I have gone and ordered some more to show you what they're like, because I just think that they are super reasonable. So let's put all these to one side for a minute and let's see what else we have. Oh, I got this stamp set. Let me find something to hold it up against. Oops, not really a good example, but let's try this one. I may have already had this. I'm going to have a look in my box. If I already have this set, then this is going to go to obviously a spot prize giveaway, but this is really cool. It's got Deadly Nightshade, Mrs. Pomeroy's Pathetic Pumpkin, various breeds and sizes pets. These are just like little adverts. Surprise your mum with a fresh bunch of thistles or one of our hungry carnivorous plants. Oh, lovely. Magical detectives. So it's quite a cool, fun stamp set, and that is £1.81 this stamp set, so not bad at all. And if you remember, I did get some of these box sets, tins of stamps, and I had ordered one of the Alice stamps and I've ordered the other three, so I'm going to show you them. These are £3.56 and I just love them. I am actually addicted to these. So I've had I had number 3 because it had the cat one, so I thought it would be rude not to order the others. And look at these, look. So you've got an Alice, you've got the Mohata, whoever these are, and that's Alice. And then so 1, 2, 3, 4 stamps in that little set, and they're just adorable. They're just such lovely little gifts. So that's number 1. Number 2 has 4 in, and it's got the funny head Alice, the rabbit, I don't know who that is, Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. I am going to have to do another journal now I have these stamps. And then we have number 4, which has don't know who they are. Oh, it's not Tweedledum and Tweedledee, no, because they're the card ones. Deck of cards, I do not know. Okay, so then you've got the rabbit one, which is really cool, and then a little stamp. But I mean, you could use these on other projects anyway. So they're the tin of stamps, and like I said, they are just lovely. I also ordered another one of these, which is the thank you ones. I just love these, and I'm going to be giving one of these away in one of my prizes in the next couple of weeks. So I have ordered another one of those for a giveaway. So watch out for that, because there will be that in a giveaway in the next couple of weeks. Now, I ordered these little stickers. I do not know how many are in there, and I couldn't find the actual thing for them, but I will find them. But I thought I'd show you them anyway as I'm building my little stickers up. I haven't even looked at these yet. And these are like, are they stickers? Yeah, they're little stickers. So you've got little books, flowers, and these are obviously not transparent ones like the other ones that we've had. Oh look, there's the bees, and I think you get 2 of each thing. And then you've got North Pole, so some Christmassy ones in here as well. Little adverts, more flowers cut out because I hadn't cleared off all my old files, so I didn't have any space left. Right, okay, look at these cute little rabbits. A swallow, I believe, some grass, some feathers. Oh no, they're the old ink pens, more plants, little typewriters, little tickets, more Christmassy things, houses, owls, and there are obviously 2 of these. The Eiffel Tower. So you've got some travel ones in here, some nature ones, quite varied. And I think they're probably £1 or just under from the other ones that I've had. I think they're about that price anyway, but they're really cool. And now I have a nice little set. I don't think I'm getting any more stickers now. So those are my stickers. I should put them in my sticker box. Now all of these ribbons and laces, I should say, they were from 67p. So I believe these 2, possibly these 3, were 67p. So let's have a look at these. You get 10 meters, which is about 10 yards, which is about 9 meters, is it? Am I right or wrong in that? Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at, oh, I shouldn't have got that out, should I? So much in there, look. But how lovely is that? That's just gorgeous. And, you know, like I said, they range from 67p up to, I think £2.01, but that's for this great big wide one. My favourite one were 73p for 10 yards. Now, come on, that's with postage as well. So that's the first one, and I'm not going to get this back in my bag, am I? I will be like, oh, that's never going to go back in. Then we have this one. Look at this. See, this is really handy because I do use a lot of little fine lacy ribbon, and that's just going to give me lots and lots and lots. So this one was 67p, and I believe this one was as well. I'll put the links to the product in the description below. Oh, I like this one. Oh, this one's lovely. This is lovely. I will put, oh, there's a bit missing there. I will put a link in the description. That's only like a little notch out of it. Look at this, loads and loads and loads of lace. The links will be in the description below if you want to go ahead. And also the link for this lace, they have about 30 different types. So I'll just put the one link, and then you can have a look at the ones that you want. So I bought 3 of these cream ones because I do use cream a lot, and I'll probably give one of these away in one of my giveaways. So we're going to hold back on one of them because I now have 3 of these. For those of you who haven't seen this one, if you do vintage things, you don't have to really dye it. It's a lovely pale creamy yellow, and it's 2 inches wide, and it's just lush. And look at that, look at all this scrumptious lace. Oh my goodness. So they are for me, and we have one for a giveaway. We also have, I ordered it in white. I believe that's the exact same. Yeah, oh no, it's not, it's different. This is a different one. Quite thick actually. I would probably coffee dye this one, and it's very similar to the one I've used in my on my excuse me, tag pockets, if I can find one. It's a bit similar to the lace I've used in here, but it's not so scalloped. It's got a little bit of a scallop, but you could definitely use that on there. So let's just put that one away. And then we have this great big one. Now this one was £2.01, and it is for 10 yards. But look at this. Oh, I mean, this would make, oh my gosh, let me just have a look at one of my pockets. Have I got one here that I haven't made yet? Right, this is one that I'm in the process of making. So it's just a bit too long, actually, a bit too tall. But great for the edges of your, you know, for a journal to wrap around. Lovely and thick this is. I mean, just so much. You could just, this would, you know, you could, oh my gosh, use this on so many different projects. And you would have lots and lots and lots. Again, probably going to coffee dye this one as well. So that was £2.01 for that. This, I think, was £1, and it's just satin, cream satin ribbon. Might have been under £1, actually, come to think of it. I think it was. I will, but like I said, I'll put the link in the description. And I got this really fun trim. Oh, it's all like, oh, look at that. Oh, it just feels so, oh, lovely. Oh, it's like peacock feathers. Oh my gosh. No, I can't remember how much this was. But look at that. Oh my gosh, that's just so much fun, isn't it? To do something really fun with that. And they've got this in all different colours, and it is actually like peacock feathers. Oh, good job Charles isn't in here, because he would be having a whale of a time with that. Oh, look at that. That is just so much fun. Look, 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 look. Oh my gosh, I have to get this back in the bag, because I'm going to be like just sitting here mucking around with it. Getting there. So those are my ribbons and my stamps that I got today. Now I mustn't forget to put one of these aside, and one of these, where did I put that other stamp set there, so that I don't put them away. Look what I have to go through. I'll just have to show you. You're just gonna laugh at me. I have my Aliexpress orders, and I have stamp sets and dies, look, to go through. Oh, whoops, I just dropped one on the floor. And the reason I haven't actually shown them yet is because I want to do some stamping and some cutting out, so that you can see. Look, I think I've gone a bit mad. Look at this. Look at all these things I have yet to go through. Actually, that one I could show you, but I don't know what the price. Those are just squares. But these stamp sets and that, I want to actually do some projects with and show you, you know, what you can make. But look at all these I have yet to. I have bows to show you. And, oh my gosh, these lovely lady with a poodle. Oh my gosh, these little gift pockets, and I haven't got the time to look at this. I have to go through all of this. This one is dies and stamps. Then we have these ones, and more dies and edges. And what's this? This one goes with the Beautiful You stamp set. I thought it was cool. And then we've got, oh, I must keep that out, the owl, because if you saw my other video, I've been doing two types of AliExpress videos. One is just showing projects, and the other is actually showing you the items. One of the projects was this actual owl, so I am going to get that out and show you that, because I thought it was really cute. Some of these are a bit messed up and not with the right. That bird one goes with that one. Then we've got the Santa sleigh, which goes in there. Oh no, look at all this lot I've got to go through. It is just crazy. So you can see I have my work cut out for me. So this is what I need to sort through and get some projects made. Not enough hours in the day. But I'll leave you with the things that I've got today, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like any of the products that you've seen, I will put a link in the description below. I have been and had my nails done because that one was broken. So look, they look better, don't they? Quite like the blue. I don't usually have blue. Right, I'm going to go. Have a lovely weekend. I will be back with a spot prize giveaway in the next couple of days. We're going to do another fun one. excuse me, and lots more things coming up, so keep watching. Take care for now. Oh, and I've meant to say as well, please like and subscribe, and if there's any AliExpress excuse me, items that you'd like to see more of, give me a shout and I'll see what I can do. All right, take care for now. Bye bye.